you a super cool recipe that I eat when I want to eat a little, but I don't want to eat too much, or sometimes when it gets really hot, or I'm the only one at home, or I feel like eating something light, or sometimes it's a whole dinner, sometimes it's a mid-meal snack. Completely optional. The recipe I'm going to share with you today is about a beetroot yogurt salad, and contrary to saying that salads are boring, this one is not. It's really delicious, and I know that we're all back or just recovering from big meals, festive seasons and things like that, so we all want to start eating a little bit more correct, a little bit more balanced. Now, why I love this recipe is because it brings in the vitamin C, folic acid and all the goodness from beet, gets you the probiotics from the yogurt or the dahi, and very important, it has the Indian tadka, right? The Indian spices, which are extremely gut healing. The couple of variations that I would like to share with you, I've taken typically the beet and the yogurt and the tadka. What you can also do is you can also insert the coriander, add in mint leaves, and it'll taste just as good. If you like the flavor of dill, throw that in. If you like parsley, throw that in. But make sure that you pick only one herb, right? Don't try and do like a khichdi of all the herbs together, because that will not be right. I've picked coriander today, so make sure that you pick any one herb that you like or you have an affinity towards, and I'm sure this recipe is going to turn out fabulous. And let's dive straight into the recipe now. That you take a picture of dish whenever you choose to make it, and make sure that you tag us on Instagram. It's at mansi.berry and at kids.press, because we would love to share it. And of course, if there are any more recipes that you want us to try or you want us to make and share it with you guys, then please leave them in the comments below, because we are so excited to try new stuff.